What can GIS do?
Really, it's a way of representing interactions and patterns based on real world inputs. So you have information, whether it's annual temperatures or median income levels for neighborhoods or more singular locations on points. Where are the hospitals? Where are the parks? GIS is a way to represent that information spatially for people to understand. There's really two subsets of GIS that I talk about. There's the cartographic value, and then there's the analytic value. Cartographic could just be, let's show something that's static, how far something is or a route to take. And then you have the analytic portion where you take inputs and you create some sort of model and methodology for analyzing an issue, and then you have the output. There's really two different parts of GIS that we're always considering. It's the cartographic portion. What do things look like? How do we represent it? And then the analytics. What do we want to know? It could be tens of thousands of objects that you're analyzing at once. For instance, you could show a map of all the counties in the United States. Then there's thousands of counties. And we've seen that recently with like election results. They show those by county. That's a GIS exercise. And the data that they're getting is really one huge GIS exercise as they're getting the inputs to represent that information graphically on a board so people can understand it. That is a simple GIS exercise. And most people don't understand how much GIS they use on a daily basis. Google has been really good about simplifying GIS and making it user-friendly for consumers. Google Maps. It's really one big GIS application that has thousands and thousands of inputs, locations, addresses, pictures. It is really one big GIS application. And it just goes to show that there is a want of the public to have information given to them in a spatial format.